takes a #1 position there, and of course Tips with the second place with a 732% portfolio increase. Well played. And we have a new ongoing streak holder, Pepper 5959, with a 41 trading session in a row. Very impressive, man.
A huge decrease in the stock market. There were some spikes here and there, but the majority has been decreasing. In the last 50, the stock market has been gone down 23 times out of 50. That's 46% of the time stock market went down. As I can see, in the last 10 as well, in the last 10, only 3 times the stock market went up. So you might want to follow this trend. And also, in the last 20, in the last 30 maybe even, in the last 30 rounds, the stock market actually decreased by 100%, 2 times. Not only one, but 2 times. Decreased by 2 times, by 100%. In round 12 and round 10, the stock market decreased by 100%. There's a huge drop below the midline. It's pulling away from the midline. It's completely crashed in the last 10 rounds. It's at the bottom. It's completely at the bottom right now. In the last 10 trading sessions, 70% of the time, stock market went down. There are some ups here, but the stock market has been completely crashing since round 40th till round 20 something. I'd say round 15, round 16, there is an increase in the stock market by 95% in one trading session. It spiked up, but after that there was a huge decrease, just plummeting down to the ground. Stock market is just going down, down. I just see majority red here, below the midline, below everything. The high peak is just gone. And we're down at the bottom of the stock market. But in the last, I'd say there are no drastic changes in the last 10. It's been going kind of sideways, but in those 100%, it was quite a downfall there.